Hey everyone, this is Fariel and I am the founder of the Poonah Immigration Law Firm. Thanks for tuning into my channel today. In this video, I will be talking to you about the Parents and Grandparents Program for Canada and how to apply, what the steps are, and what the eligibility requirements are. So stay tuned till the end. So on October 13th, the Parents and Grandparents Program began accepting applications, and this will run through November 3rd, 2020. For 2020, there are 10,000 allocations available, which is a significant drop from last year in 2019, which was 20,000 allocations. However, the good news is that in 2021, it will go back up to 30,000. Now, what are the steps? They are quite easy. So the very first thing you have to do is within that period of time from until November 3rd, from October 13th, you have to submit the interest to sponsor online. Now, this is not the application process. All you are doing is submitting an interest showing to the government that you wish to sponsor your parent or grandparent. Now, at the same time, you must upload a copy of your passport. And what this is for confirmation that you are either a permanent resident of Canada or a Canadian citizen and that you are eligible to sponsor. Now, after you have submitted your interest to sponsor, within 24 hours, you will receive a confirmation. And after the program closes on November 3rd, there will be 10,000 applicants that are drawn from the pool, which is very much like a lottery system. But what they tried to overcome was that in 2019, the system basically crashed because within 11 minutes, the allocation completely was used up and people were sitting in the queue and they were stagnant, they were delayed, or the system completely crashed. So the difference is in 2020, what they plan to do is once it closes, they will choose randomly some applications to fill the allocations of 10,000. Now, once you receive that invitation, you will have 60 days to submit your application. And if you are interested to sponsor, please keep in mind that the current processing time is 24 months, and that is still maybe up in the air because of COVID-19. So it may be delayed a little bit further. So what are the eligibility requirements? First, you must be over the age of 18 years old. Second, you must be a Canadian citizen or permanent resident. And third, you must meet the income requirements. Now, what are the income requirements? So basically, if you are a sponsor, you must be able to meet your basic needs of your own family and also of those who you are sponsoring. In addition, if you have previously sponsored somebody, you will also have to add the number of people to your calculation to determine if you meet the minimum requirements. Now, there is a table, and I will also put a link below to the table. Now, regarding this table, typically a sponsor has to meet the minimum requirements, income requirements, plus an additional 30%. But right now, due to COVID-19, for 2020, you will not be required to show the additional 30% because the government knows that everybody has been out of work or they've suffered severe financial consequences because of COVID-19. Now, in order to prove your eligibility for income, you must provide 3 consecutive years of your tax return or a notice of assessment from the Canadian Revenue Agency. So for example, for 2020, you will be required to show for 2019, 2018, and 2020. Now, the good thing is you will not have to show those income requirements until you're actually invited to apply. So if you do not have your 2020 NOA, don't worry because you won't have to submit that yet. So all income will be verified at the time of application. There are other ways to come to Canada, which includes a super visa. Now, the super visa is not a permanent visa, it is temporary, and you will also have to show that your parent or grandparent will be able to have medical insurance, so they do have to purchase this in advance. Now, I'm not going to go over the super visa in this video, but please keep in mind that there are other alternatives. So if you need help to complete the interest to sponsor, or once you receive an invitation, you do need additional help to submit the application, please contact our office and we will be happy to help you through the process. I will put a link to the email below and also to the website. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell so you will be notified of every new video. Till next time, see ya!